In this video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Loop. So in order to do that, we first need to head over to their website, which is loop.cloud.microsoft, but you can also access it through their application. On this case, just proceed to click onto this Get Started option that we can see right here in order to sign up for an account. But if you already have an account either on your OneDrive, Microsoft Word, or Office, head over and click on the sign in option since you can use that account in here as well. That is because Microsoft applications are interconnected to each other. So let's proceed to just sign in right here directly. I have in here my actual page. So in order to export this particular page, you can just head over and click on these three dots. And here you can see this saving this page as a template, sharing page links, and the likes. However, I have in here this data and I want to export it. Just click onto this three dots right here. Click onto this download CSV. To take note that it's only available to export if you have a table. So head over and click onto this download and you should be able to download it. And here it will download and you can just head over and open it in order to see how it looks like. So let's try to open this right here. Here we have this right there. So as you can see, we have exported the table. However, if you want to export the whole actual Microsoft Loop, it have a different settings for that and different requirements for it as well. So in order to do this, you can just search head over right here onto your actual browser and then export it. If you want to export a particular page as a PDF, navigate to that particular page. And then from in there, head over and click on the three dot for the more options. And once you're in here, next thing you need to do is to just select the print option if you have it right there. Alternatively, you can also click onto the share option right here and choose right here the workspace as well as page link options. So that's all there is today and I hope this video actually helped you out.